EDO Deputy Govunor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don assure the people of Edo North say dem go get enough pipe-borne water, say the state government don put plans down to revamp the Ojirami Dam to provide portable pipe-borne water to people of Ojirami and surrounding communities including Esako and Owan as a whole. The Deputy Governor gave the assurance when he paid one on-the-spot visit to Ojirami Dam for Akoko Edo local government area to check how the water facility dey work. For him talk with Tori people after the inspection of the dam, Omobayo come talk say,
this dam was established in 1974, many years ago. Yeah, the essence was to get water to across Owan, Esako and Akoko Edo. That was the original design conceptualization, and it met that objective. But in recent time, you know how we have come, and but as we speak today, I'm standing with the executive chairman of Akoko Edo, Barrister Tajudeen. This project is very dear to him. Even before I joined the PDP, I've been following him online, trying to get electricity to our people and this dam, because the essence of these boreholes everywhere, you know what the impact is. I'm very optimistic. I really need this thing to work. In my time, in his time, it will work, because this is one asset. So when we get it right in Akoko Edo, we begin to look at how we can further reticulate it, because I know that most of those pipes now, they're obsolete. It's not going to be, it's a sensitive government, so we are doing the test run process. So don't allow anybody come and cajole you. Ojirami Dam is intact. We know that there are few challenges, maybe the admit water, which requires some form of revamping, because this property, all of this were built in over 50 years. So the only ones that have been able to stand the test of time now are these very, not the ones that are directly under sun, rain, and all of that. So for me, it is a good project. It's something that is dear to me. I like practical governance. I don't like theory. What we have here is just to make some input. If the federal government, whatever second, can come in to ensure that it gets to other part of Edo North, beautiful. But today, we want to see an Ojirami Dam. You saw the separation. It's a standard. How many thousand cubic? 13,000 cubic feet meters. So it was designed ab initio to take care of the entire Edo North, and it still has that capacity. So we will see how we can come, we'll do what we can do, and we'll get the kind of result. I'm sure Ward 5 will be happy. It's an aberration that Ojirami, where this dam is, they don't have water, and you are sinking borehole everywhere looking for water.
Chairman Akoko Edo local government area Honorable Tajudeen Alade, wey follow the deputy governor for the visit, come talk say in council they work hard with the state government to ensure say they fully resuscitate the Ojirami Dam. The 13,000 cubic feet Ojirami Dam na the then military head of state General Yakubu Gowon commission am for 1974. For another Tori, as part of deliberate effort to strengthen the security where the present administration put in place, EDO Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don perform the ground-breaking of Lampese police station for Ward 3 of Akoko Edo local government area. As he dey speak for the groundbreaking ceremony, the Deputy Governor contacted the project dey dear to him heart as it coincide with his second month for office since he assumed the number 2 seat on April 8, 2024. According to Ram, the issue of security dey important to Edo State government and the citizen, as the primary duty of any responsible government na the protection of lives and properties. Omobayo Consti talk say,
for this particular project, is dear to me. It is dear to me for several reasons. I'm happy that the Commissioner of Police, you know, as a security man, was able to even give an inner. I just thought, okay, because it's a border community, it could border Ondo, Kogi, and Edo, which is strategic for the security arrangement, and it has been moribund. It's an existing structure more than 40 years ago. I was not looking at, he saw something differently. He said, no, this is supposed to be a police training school, but this is a first step in the right direction, because even in a police training school, any training school, you must have a police station. So while we are trying to erect that, he has taken relevant pictures and video for onward transmission to the governor and the Inspector General of Police. We are hopeful. We don't have anyone of its kind like this. The only one we have is the shooting range around the Kadolo, and the place has opened up. It's not somewhere you can get 100% firing range, because it could affect the human beings around there. So you can see this place is several, it's in hundreds of hectares, already designed. You saw the shooting range, all the underground international standard, 20 spot points, and by the grace of God, we are sure that something positive will come out.
For im remarks, the Inspector General of Police, wey dey represented by the Commissioner of Police Edo State Command, CP Fusion Adegboye, come promise to make maximum use of the station and other facilities when dem complete am. CP Fusion come still talk say,
as taking the initiative to inform the governor, and he has gotten the approval to come and resuscitate this place. It's not just a police station, but we have a very standard underground shooting range, which is quite rare. It is very necessary so that it is going to be a source of training and retraining for our men. You know, before we used to talk about accidental discharge. Most of the main reason for this is lack of adequate training. But with this facility, when it is completed, it's going to make our police officers, not only from Mopo 60 or the area commander Igara or the people of Lampese alone, but for Nigerians alone. Our police officers will become more efficient, more professional. And siting this place by the time it is completed is going to be more industrialization.
Also, the Chemo Akoko Edo local government area Honorable Tanjudi Alade contrary salute to Governor Godwin Obaseki and the Deputy Engineer Marvelous Omobayo for the initiative to build a police station for the locality and said the station will boost security for the local government area. High point of the event now the official groundbreaking of the police station by the Deputy Governor as blessed with the community leaders and other stakeholders where they present. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Edo North, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.